Okay, Sunday lunchtime update. So got the wiring mostly done. Fortunately, we did go for these inspection elbows because there was nothing else available. I could have gone elsewhere and just used the normal ones, but you can't get the cable around the bend without taking the covers off and manipulating the wire along. So yeah, I've had to do that all the way along here. Even these T-pieces, you've got to poke the wire round. The wire is so thick that running one wire into here, another one into there, and then out again, so it's 3 sets of wires going into the terminals. It was really hard to achieve. So when I came round, again here without that inspection elbow, there's no way. So what I did here is remove the double socket that was on there as probably not necessary. I've looked at the equipment that's going to go here, and we've got enough sockets to cover that. Then the 2 for the monitors. Wasn't really sure what to do with this, so what I've done, I've just run it on a lead and plug, and I also suspect I've probably put it around the wrong way. It probably needs to go that way. I'll be working here. I thought actually if I'm working here I can just reach across and plug it in, but thinking about it, it's probably easier just to have it the other way around. It's more ergonomic that way. Then we've gone round there again without the elbows. With the inspection covers there was no chance, and of course we've got to there and run out of the orange cable when we've got to go to there. So yeah, bloody typical. I'm hoping there's enough on the other end of the cable that's going into the mains spur in the other workshop that I can just nick a few foot off of that and get this bit done. And I am doing the wiring, the lighting off of the same circuit there. There's no point in faffing around. And found some white cable clips. Wire hasn't arrived yet from Amazon, but it will do later on. I've tested all of the different plugs and adapters that we get on the end of GHDs into these, and they all go in without any problems, so that should make life a lot easier. And yeah, there we are. So it's about 1:30 Sunday, and that's where we've got to.